Binti, Shamsul Bahri with number matrix AA2000704 will present an introduction part which contains background of studies, problem statement, and objective. So, road safety inspection or RSI is an on-site evaluation of an existing road to identify hazardous situation or defect, anything that could result in major accidents. This inspection will focus on checking cross-section drainage and surface condition, alignment, traffic signal, and others. This issue will be checked regularly by an expert. The project will be discussed with details in background studies. As RSI has always focused on the road and roadsides that may occur to an accident, so the road needs to be checked to detect either the road geometry and infrastructure are okay or not. For this case, we made an inspection with 1,200 meters segment with 600 meters to the left and right at main entrance Sekolah Menengah Teknik Alostar. For the problem statement, we agreed to conduct this inspection virtually by accessing to instant Google Street View websites, as the situation of COVID-19 still not recovered yet. Besides that, the observation can be simple and more safe. The objective for this case study includes, firstly, to eliminate or reduce the chances if crash occur. Next, to analyze the factors that may contribute to crashes. And lastly, to provide recommendation for improving the road safety.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairun Najwa Binti Kamal and my matrix number is AA200399. So I will be present about our methodology. Stage 1, forming a group and selecting the school. In this stage, the lecturer has briefing about the road safety inspection for all students. We form a group with 4 students and selected the school. So the chosen school is Sekolah Menengah Teknik Alostar. Next, stage 2 is about the group review. In this stage, the necessary evaluations must be conducted and the required documents must be obtained, such as accident evaluation, technical traffic aspects, and other evaluations, and review the available documents. Stage 3, the online field review. The entire stage must be inspected by ourselves. We were using instant Google Street View to access the road section and traffic situations. The section to be examining should be discussed systematically based on the RSI checklist and Mitra. Next, stage 4 is about the discussion and findings. We were using Google search for searching the information or document relevant about the road. Then we are using the instant Google Street View to get information to use for the checklist on the road. Stage 5 is about the recommendation and conclusion. After we gain the information and the checklist, we will be decide for the recommendation and conclusion for the road. Then we split into categories: list of measures, the safety relevance, and the monitoring. Lastly, stage 6 is about creation of RSI report. The report must be provide the introduction, general information, methodology, complete checklist, and document evaluation, discussion and findings, implementation of the proposed measure and monitoring, and conclusion or summary. So that's all from me. Then I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Norellysha Fariha Binti Mohd Ahmad Norhisham, and my metric number is AA200662. So, I will present about finding and discussions. First, for inspection finding, we have to measure 600 meters for both right and left sides. For the result of finding, I found that there are deep and uncovered drains on the left side of the school. So, it should be fixed or rearrange the structure to prevent any accident and danger. Second, for bus stop in front of the school, there is no yellow line and vehicles do not follow the standard specification of Jabatan Kerja Raya. Third, for school signboard, the signboard is not follow Jabatan Kerja Raya specification because there is only one signboard provided. For discussion, as a result of the study above, this type of safety lack is typical for both roads at the school. This may be due to current practice limiting the design of roadworks within specific project limits. This is because the school is in the middle of the city and traffic congestion makes the contractor take lightly about the speed and road side for the school. Apart from that, the straight road factor also causes road users to drive beyond the permissible limits. And for recommendation, as a result, we should improve the school road to make it more secure for students and to prevent any accident in this area. So, the recommendation for this road to be safer is better highlighting of hazard through roads lighting at junction and roundabouts, improving vertical alignment, advisory speed limits at sharp bend, and lastly, regular speed limit signs.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nadiah Binti Razib. My matrix number is AA200002. Today I would like to present my part, which is conclusion. This study aims to add to the corpus of knowledge in the field of road safety. Another way to analyze is changing the environment and infrastructure to increase the safety of Mohd. Participants in such a process can work constructively to make safety improvement if they understand the hazard associated with the various modes and how those risks can be mitigated. Communities may utilize information about the relative hazard of various modes to focus resources on the modal changes that will result in the most significant safety benefit. A well-thought-out risk management program that assesses the risks and advantages of various modes and develop a set of realistic risk mitigation options for each mode will help stakeholders have more informed discussion. For transportation engineer, urban planner, and property developer, traffic safety near school has been and will continue to be a major concern. This research serves as a beginning point, but it also indicates the necessity for additional in-depth research in this area. For the next part is appendix. So this is the street map of the SMT Alostar. Next is the checklist of the road safety inspection at SMT Alostar.